Today we are going to construct a quadrilateral BEND, which is a rhombus. It is a special quadrilateral in which all the four sides are equal and diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. We will be using these properties to do the construction. Okay, so before we start this, let us make a rough sketch. Okay, rough sketch of a, let us label it B, E and D. Now BN is 5.6 centimeter, so this one is our first diagonal, which is 5.6 centimeter, and the other one DE is our 6.5 centimeter, so that means the other diagonal is 6.5 centimeter. Okay, so we are using what? We are using this property over here. The diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Okay, so let us draw the first diagonal, which is 6.5 centimeter long. .5 centimeter long. So we should always try to draw the diagonals with the dashed lines, and the main quadrilaterals should be drawn with the solid line. So it is B, this is N. Now I hope all of you do remember how to make a perpendicular bisector. How do we make the perpendicular bisector? We take a compass, we open it with the length of more than half of the line whose perpendicular bisector we are trying to draw. We mark an arc up, and then what do? We mark an arc down. Then we lift the compass, we keep the same radius, we do not change the radius. With the same radius we put it at the other end. Okay, and we cut the previous two arcs like this. So we have made this thing, and now what are we going to do? We will be making a line, we will be joining these points over here like this. So this is a long line, and somewhere on this lies the other diagonal, which is 5.6 centimeter long. Okay, so now since the diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other, now what is half of 5.6? What is half of 5.6? That is 2.8. So the other diagonal should be 2.8 centimeter up and 2.8 centimeter down. So what do we need to do? We will take our compass. Okay, we will take the compass and we will open it equals to how much? 2.8 centimeter long, and open it equals to 2.8 centimeter long. Put it at this point and cut it up like this, and then okay, and cut it down also like this. You can see that it is little bit short, so maybe we can extend our line a little bit. This can happen to you too. Okay, so this point where these arcs are there, this is 2.8 centimeter up and 2.8 centimeter down. This is my point E and this is my point D. Okay, so now what will I do? I will join E with B, I will join N with E, I will join B with D, and I will join N with D. Okay, and this is how I construct the quadrilateral BEAD, which is a rhombus. Using the property of the rhombus, the diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Okay, so we are done.